Wolf R366 oven has a problem igniting. What I hear is a long whooshing noise, and eventually it starts, and then it takes a long time to preheat. So I'm thinking I have a problem with the igniter or the burner. I'm going to check it out. Okay, this quick video on the R366 oven. I'm going to have to replace the burner. Quickly, here's what I had to do. On the bottom there is 4 screws that hold the plate in place. One that I've taken out there, one that I took out there, one that I took out there, and one that I took out there. As you can see, it's a little bit rusty. I had to use a little bit of WD-40 before I used the Phillips screwdriver to take it out. And once I had that done, the silver, I'll call it heat protection, was attached to the door. I had to take these out of the plate. So what I used was 2 plastic spatulas, one on each side of the clip, and just gently pulled it out of the plate. Once I had those out of the way, I took the oven igniter safety tray, I think is what it's called, out. There are 2 screws right here and right here, and a thing in the back. So the way I took it out was I just slide in like this, and then I slid it in place and put it down. I did not take any screws out, and you can see it fits there and it fits there. It goes like this. And here's how I know what's wrong with my igniter and the whooshing sound. You can see almost that the burner is corroded right at the igniter. So it looks like I'm going to have to replace the burner, and I'll probably think about replacing the igniter at the same time. Okay, and to replace the burner, I'm going to need to take the screw out that's back here. You can see the hole, I've already taken it out. It's a Phillips screwdriver. Again, I put just a small amount of WD-40 on there because it was stuck a little bit. And then I lifted the burner up to help the screw come out to hold it tight. Then it looks like I'm going to have to take the lower access panel off. It's right down here. And it's a little tough to see here. But there's 2 screws. One of them is right in there, and the other one is right over here. So, just in case I have too much light on that one is right there. And take those off, and then take the lower access panel off. Okay, now we're just going to lift the lower access panel off. Let's see what we got. And remove these 2 screws behind the gas orifice. This one right here, and this one right in there. I'm going to use a Phillips, probably an end of a socket wrench to take that out. And that should allow us to lift the burner out from the inside. Okay, so we got those 2 screws out, that one and this one over here. Now we're just going to take a step back, open up the oven door, and see if we can gently lift this up. I put a little bit more light in here so we can see what's going on. Too much light. That didn't work. Alright, let's try this. So we're going to see if we can take this burner out here. Again, this is where it comes in. I'm just going to gently lift it up. And it does slide right off, which is what we were hoping for. Perfect. I'm also going to disconnect the igniter to get out of my way. Yeah, I'm not sure if we're going to be able to stop, but there is 2 small screws on the side there. Get the light so you can see in there. So we're going to take those 2 screws off and then disconnect the igniter from the burner. Thanks. Okay, I ordered my parts, came in the mail, reinstalled them in the same way I took it apart, and put it back together, and that was the problem. Everything works great. Solved my ignition problem and burner and oven warming problems.